year I decided to how to be popular, so you get the people's attention. So today we are going to do thumbnails, so let's get right to it. We are using this thumbnail for today. Watch me how I do it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we are going to teach you how to make a thumbnail aesthetic. So yes, so recently I don't have many thumbnails. Right here,
a few moments later,
I made this aesthetic because why not? And yes, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. So I did the end of this one. Good up there. So let's go to Gotcha Club and we're going to choose one. Okay, we're ready. So right now I'm going to be doing super stylish. So now I need a super stylish. So I'm going to go to super stylish and take that picture and see what to correct. Character, speed forward. Okay, we are done with her and a pose is, yeah. It's time to make another one. We just do it to another one. And our theme is going to be okay, I'm gonna do this.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Now we're done. So her pose is going to be and we're going to move her a little bit. So the next thing we're going to do is aesthetic wallpaper. Let's go. Oh, okay. Next thing you had to find an aesthetic background. There's no aesthetic.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
This is the only aesthetic, so I decided to do this one. This is my favorite. Next, we are going to Pixar and we're going to create this. Because Pixar always do everything. Okay, to make it more aesthetic, we need some color. Okay, you're going to put some bit of a rainbow. Okay, now first we're going to add some sparkles. Next, we're going to add some sparkle lights to make it more aesthetic and beautiful. To make it cheese in the ground. Wait, I had to go to dinner.
A few moments later.
Well, we just got back for dinner and now it's time to start edit. So I think the sparkles will go to Rita because why not? Hey! Get the door closed now because we won't hear mommy. Now it's time for silence. I had to put the volume a little bit more up because I like this song because it's catchy a bit. You might get some for chick vibes. Really different. The flowers were into twinkles. Enough feels. There's more aesthetic. Even the rainbow too. This is my favorite part. It's a little bit glitchy. The next one is the call out, so I'm going to say something. Again, we are using a little bit more high. So we're going to say 100%. No, 140. Oops. Well, let's go. I'm going to put this one right here. So we do a rainbow. Super stylish. And we're going to put some words. Next, you need a stroke. Oops. First, you need a fancier word to do it. Uh-oh. I want to get all of these. Ignore the eyeshadow, I need it. So let's go. We need some peach. Oh my god, no! How dare you? This is better. Can't really see, there's so much light. Keep them. And the rest of my nails need food. Ooh, this looks perfect. keep doing that. We need to put some bit of details again because I love adding details and shadows. And we need some lipstick. Oh my god, you were going good. You were going good. We're going to put this in the middle of the eyeliner because it will go good. I call coronavirus. Wow, this was great. Yeah, sorry about the dark one.
Okay.
Dated, and now we're going to CapCut. Okay guys, we are back, and yes, we are doing the final steps of CapCut. So please watch the edit. So this is, you will be waiting for the big reveal. Get ready in 3, 2, and 1. Doesn't it look amazing? I know, it's a masterpiece. Go try it out now and watch the whole thing to help to guide you. Well guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did, smash the like button and we'll see you all real soon. So bye guys, and enjoy the memes. Sorry, I love memes so much. Okay, so bye bye. Well, you change the video. Bye.